And then I did a good oral exam. And then I saw the bump and I palpated the bump and everything else. So this example from today, it shows how important it is to do the things right.
The restoration is going to be larger than that, more than a third to half of the occlusal table of the tooth we're restoring. Then I like to kind of stack the deck in my favor and go with something that's indirect.
It just pays to open your mind to new ideas and new ways of doing things. And that's what I've really based my whole practice on.
If you break it down into small gains, then it gives you that sense of accomplishment. It gives you that confidence.
I'm looking for products that are faster, easier, and better. Not only for me, the doctor, but for the patient as well.
Heat-treated files is the technology that endodontists are using right now.